Hi, this is Brad, the kitchen guy at Brad's Home Center. We're going to do another product review today. Is it good or is it junk? This is the Kirkland 10-piece stainless steel 5-ply cookware set. I just bought this the other day because some of the cookware I've been using in here is junk. And we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's see what's in the box. Oh look, instructions, our favorite thing. I think I'm going to need a knife. They gave me a sharp tool. They're in trouble now. Wow, that's a nice top. Nice and heavy. That's one of the ratings of cookware. That's nice too. How the interior of your cookware is finished will tell you how much stick you get. That's why you season your cast iron pans. You build up layer after layer after layer of that oil that you use. I like grapeseed oil the best. It has the highest smoke point and turns the hardest. Small plug, will be doing it later. And it makes it like non-stick. If you don't do it and use that cast iron cookware without seasoning it, everything sticks. But so far these are nice stainless steel lids. And we're about to hit the first pan. Oh, look. First thing I notice, how thick the bottom is. That tells you how even the heat's going to distribute. Copper. The reason they put copper in here is not just for pretty. It uniformly heats. One of the problems with stainless steel is it's spotty and doesn't transfer heat well. And that's why you have clads and plies in here. They sandwich different layers together to give you good, solid cooking. Now that is a heavy pot. With nothing in it, that's a heavy pot. So is this one. Nice. Look, they even put little markings to let you know how much you put in. You know who's never going to use them? Again, same thing, really nice. Nice little markings on the side that are never going to get used in this kitchen. And by the way, yes, we recycle all our cardboard. The only thing that goes to the landfill is going to be the plastic. Nice saucier. Good feel to it, nice handle. Now one of the things I really like so far that I've seen, all these handles are solid metal. You can take this off the stove cooktop and put it in the oven and your handle won't melt as in some of these others. I'm feeling a paella pan here. And I bet you all that printing on it says don't let your children play with it, they'll suffocate in the bag. That's another nice pan. I am happy. This cookware set was about $200 for 10 pieces. Transfers down to about 20 bucks a piece. If you've ever gone out and bought cookware one at a time, you'll know what a good deal that is. And there's my favorite pan, the 12-inch saucepan. Yep. Most used pan in the house.
Brad's favorite.
Brad's favorite. All right, we're going to take all this and put it back in the box. I feel like the old road maps. Once you take it out, it never folds back up. Now we're going to do a brief side-by-side comparison here. Here's our brand new, never been used stainless steel pan. Here is a very well-known brand that we are not going to talk about. This is our brand new stainless steel pan. This is our well-known brand, which has a ceramic coating, was supposed to be lifetime, no PTFE. I want you to see how discolored that is, and I want you to see how chipped up that is. The minute it discolors or the minute it chips up, you're supposed to throw it away. Why? You don't want to eat what's coming off that pan. Stainless steel pan, especially if it's a 304 grade surgical stainless steel, which I think these are, they actually put the screws in your body with this because it will never hurt you. Your body will accept it. This pan might make you sick. Is that what you want to do to your kids and your family? The other thing is the thinness of this pan. And I'm purposely not showing the bottom so you cannot see the brand. It's thin aluminum. It transfers the heat really well, but it deforms. As it heats up, the center, you can see the ring right there, actually comes up and all the food slides off to the side. And also you can see the chipping that's starting to happen. This pan is going in the trash. I will bet you this lid, which is normally a third of the thickness of a pan, is thicker and weighs more than that. What do you say we break out a scale? Can you see that? We're going to put on the brand new Kirkland. What does that weigh? I can't read it from this side.
40. I believe it says 4 pounds.
I think that's a 4-pound pan.
Yeah.
That's about a 4-pound pan.
Yeah.
Let's see what this other name brand pan is.
2 pounds.
Half the weight.
Half the weight.
Mm-hmm. And I will tell you, I remember buying these other pans and they were almost the same price as these stainless steel.
Wow.
Now let's take a look. We're going to take a check to see if I'm a good guess on the lid. Well,
About 1 pound?
about a pound.
Mm-hmm.
So let's count the pieces. Match them up. There's a lid for every pot. That's 2 pieces. That's 4 pieces. 6. Nope. 7, 8, 9, 10, and I think I have a disappointing factor. No lids that fit these 2 pans. Boys out there at Kirkland, hear me? You kind of need lids for your saucers, okay? I use them all the time. Be really handy to have some. But for the price, I can't complain too much. They're a good, solid stainless steel cookware set. We'll be cooking on them tomorrow. Once again, this is Brad the Cooking Guy at Brad's Home Center. Like, subscribe, and let us know which kind of videos you want us to make. Product reviews or cooking, you tell us, we'll do it.